Hello lovelies, welcome back once again. So today we are going to prepare our nice smooth Ghanaian food fufu. So this is what we are going to use in pounding our fufu. So first of all, you cook your plantain and your cassava. I took one cassava and clean up everything that is in the mortar. After cleaning up my mortar, I'll take my cassava one at a time. So I make sure the pestle pound this very well into smooth paste, leaving no cassava uncrushed. Yes, so I'll crush every cassava well. So please, let's keep watching and see how this is being made. After pounding about 5 pieces of cassava, I then take my plantain and add it into addition to the pound cassava just to give it a smooth and nice texture. In doing this, I dip my hands in water to give it that fine, nice, smooth texture. As you can see, our fufu is getting softer and smooth, so very nice. Our plantain is ready now, so I'll then put this aside and start with the cassava. So as you can see, I took every piece of uncrushed cassava in the middle to be crushed, so this will make no lumps be in the fufu. If you do yours this way, I bet you're gonna get a smooth, nice and soft fufu that you ever wanted. In doing it, I still kept on dipping my hands in the water to clean up every mess in the mortar, as you can see. So I turned it up and down as you see me doing to give it that fine consistency. So I took out every lumps or anything that was in the fufu out of it. Yes, as you can see. After getting that fine consistency, I added my plantain to it. So you can see our fufu is very soft and smooth now. So this is how I turned up the fufu. Yeah, I'm going to mold it. For a meal in Ghana, we mold the fufu in oval shape, making it into 2 balls for men. Yeah, and for the women, we mold it into round shape, as you can see me doing. for the ladies and women. Our fufu is ready now. I'm going to give this to a man. Yes. So I molded it into two oval shape like this, and our soup is ready as well. Our fufu is ready now, and it's time to eat. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please be here for more.